Join me as I take on the challenge of predicting how gold, currency, oil, and stocks will perform in 2025 based on data from before 2024. Today, we're going to dive into the world of finance and explore the trends, predictions, and insights that you need to know to make informed investment decisions in the new year. With so much volatility in the markets and economic uncertainty on the horizon, it's more important than ever to stay ahead of the curve. We're living in unprecedented times, and the financial markets are reflecting that uncertainty. The past year has been a roller coaster ride, with interest rates rising, inflation soaring, and global events sending shockwaves through the system. As investors, we're faced with making tough decisions about where to put our money and how to protect our wealth. With so much at stake, it's essential to stay informed and up to date on the latest trends and predictions. That's what we're going to do today. We'll cut through the noise and get straight to the point, exploring the key factors that will drive the markets in 2025 from gold to currency, oil to stocks. We'll analyze each asset class individually, highlighting the trends, factors influencing prices, and expert predictions for the year ahead. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video is for you. Gold has long been considered a safe haven asset, but will it continue to shine in 2025? Some experts are predicting a surge in gold prices, driven by central banks and investors seeking refuge from inflation and market volatility. Others, however, are more cautious, citing potential headwinds from rising interest rates and a stronger US dollar. In the currency markets, the US dollar has been the dominant force in 2024, but will it continue to reign supreme in 2025? The answer lies in the Federal Reserve's monetary policy, global economic trends, and the performance of other major currencies like the euro and yuan. Oil prices have been on a wild ride, driven by supply chain disruptions, OPEC production cuts, and shifting global demand. As we head into 2025, will oil prices continue to rise, and what does this mean for energy stocks and the broader economy? Finally, in the stock market, investors are bracing for impact, with many predicting a correction or even a crash in 2025. But are there any bright spots on the horizon? We'll explore the sectors and stocks that are likely to outperform, and the ones that you should avoid. After analyzing each asset class, one prediction stands out above the rest: a potential perfect storm that could send shockwaves through the markets in 2025. It's a trend that few experts are talking about, but one that could have a significant impact on your investment portfolio. As we look ahead to 2025, it's clear that the markets will be shaped by a complex interplay of factors, from monetary policy to global events. By understanding these trends and predictions, you'll be better equipped to navigate the uncertainty and make informed investment decisions. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of finance. I hope you found this video informative and insightful. If you have your own predictions for 2025, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more financial insights and updates.